Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve a Facebook page not found. To know how to fix or how to solve a Facebook page not found, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook here and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click for stop and you will enter here. Then in this page you can enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and here you will go to click clear data, and then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.